Hi viewers, in this video we learn about reciprocal equations. Definition. An equation is said to be a reciprocal equation if the reciprocal of any root of the equation be also the root of the same equation. Here we have four types of equation. One is odd degree and opposite sign, odd degree and same sign, even degree and opposite sign, even degree same sign. So for these four types of equation has a different factors. Now we see the example. Solve the equation 6x power 4 plus 35x cube plus 62x square plus 35x plus 6 equal to 0. So here see the first term 6x power 4. Here the maximum degree is 4. This is odd degree, and first term and the last term have the same sign. So this is the first type, even degree and first type. So this is a reciprocal equation of even degree and first type. So this is in the standard form. So we can rewrite this equation as 6 into x power 4 plus 1 plus 35x into x square plus 1 plus 62x square equal to 0. From the given equation, we combine two terms, first term and the last term, second term and fourth term. If we combine these, we get this equation. Now divide this equation both the side by x square. So we get 6 into x square plus 1 by x square plus here x will get cancelled. So x into 1 x plus 1 by x plus in the last term x square will get cancelled. So we have 62 equal to 0. Now put x plus 1 by x is equal to t and x square plus 1 by x square equal to t square minus 2 in the equation. We get 6 into t square minus 2 plus 35t plus 62 equal to 0. When we solve this equation, we get 6t square plus 35t plus 50 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. When we solve this equation, we can get the root of t, two roots for t. Now we can factorize this one. So 3t plus 10 into 2t plus 5 equal to 0. Now equate each term to 0. We get t equal to minus 10 by 3 and t equal to minus 5 by 2. These are the two roots of the previous equation. We have taken this x plus 1 by x is equal to t. So instead of t, we replace x plus 1 by x in both the term. We have x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 10 by 3. When we solve this, first in the left hand side we take the LCM. So x square plus 1 by x equal to minus 10 by 3. Next you take the cross multiplication and you form the equation. So that is 3x square plus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. This is also a quadratic equation. When we factorize this one, we have x plus 3 into 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Equate each term to 0. We get x is equal to minus 3 minus 1 by 3. Similarly, substitute t is equal to minus 5 by 2. In this, you take x plus 1 by x for t. So x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 5 by 2. So again, you take the LCM to the left hand side and next you take the cross multiplication. So we form this equation 2x square plus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. When you factorize this one, we have x plus 2 into 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now you equate each term to 0. We get x plus 2 equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 2. 2x equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, the required roots are x is equal to minus 3, minus 1 by 3, and x is equal to minus 2 and minus 1 by 2. So these are the 4 roots of the given reciprocal equation. Next problem. Solve the equation x power 7 plus 4x power 6 plus 4x power 5 plus x power 4 minus x cube minus 4x square minus 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So this is a reciprocal equation of odd degree and the second type. So this equation can be written as x power 7 minus 1 into 4 into x power 6 minus x plus 4 into x power 5 minus x square plus x power 4 minus x cube equal to 0. So we combine two terms, we will get this equation. So this equation has a factor x minus 1. So x is equal to 1 is the root of the given equation, one root. So we can write this equation as x minus 1 into x power 6 plus x power 5 plus x power 4 plus x power 3 plus x square plus x plus 1 plus 4x into x power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So either x is equal to 1 is this root, or we can write this x power 6 plus 5x power 5 plus 9x power 4 plus 10x power 3 plus 9x square plus 5x plus 1 equal to 0. Now again we form this equation, we can combine two terms and we get x power 6 plus 1 plus 5 into x power 5 plus x plus 9 into x power 4 plus x square plus 10 x power 3 equal to 0. So now divide this equation by x power 3, we get x power 3 plus 1 by x power 3. In this term 5 into x square plus 1 by x square plus 9 into x plus 1 by x plus 10 equal to 0. Here we have x plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x square, x cube plus 1 by x cube. So instead of x plus 1 by x you replace t. So similarly x square plus 1 by x square you replace t square minus 2, and then x cube plus 1 by x cube we replace t power 3 minus 3t. So we have t cube minus 3t plus 5t square minus 10 plus 9t plus 10 equal to 0. When we simplify this one, we have t cube plus 5t square plus 6t equal to 0. Here this is a cubic equation. Now we have to solve this equation. See, in all the terms we have t. So take this t out. So we have t square plus 5t plus 6 equal to 0. So now equate each term to 0. T is equal to 0, or t square plus 5t plus 6 equal to 0. Therefore t is equal to 0 is one root, and t square plus 5t plus 6 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. When we solve this, we have another two roots for this. Here t is equal to 0 is one root. So instead of t, as usual, we replace x plus 1 by x equal to 0. So this, when you simplify this one, we give x is equal to plus or minus I. So this is a two root for x. So when you solve t square plus 5t plus 6 is equal to 0, we have two roots, another two roots for t, that is t is equal to minus 3 and minus 2. But instead of t, we have to replace x plus 1 by x. So when you take the LCM and take the cross multiplication, we get x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. When we solve this, we have x equal to -3 plus or minus root 5 divided by 2. Similarly, when you take t is equal to -2, in the left hand side you replace x plus 1 by x for t. So we have another equation, that is x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. When we solve this quadratic equation, we get x is equal to -1 comma -1. So therefore the required roots are 1, -1, -1 plus or minus I, and -3 plus or minus root 5 by 2. So these are the 7 roots for the given equation. Thank you.